guys, this is Kepler and you are watching Kepler Talks. Today I bring you the good site for earning money. You know, this site za.gl. Okay, now from this site you can able to earn $10 per 1,000 clicks. Yes, you know, in YouTube you are only getting 50 cents or $1 or $2 up to 1,000 impressions. Okay, but now on this site you can able to earn $10,000 a month. Yes, if you have huge traffic on your website, on your social network, you can earn up to $10,000 a month. Okay, so what you have to do on this site, you know, this is simple URL shortener site za.gl. You know, this site gives you up to $10 per 1,000 views. Okay, from every country. You know, their CPM has been upgraded. They are using artificial intelligence for the CPM. Now every country can go up to $100 per 10,000 visits. Okay, so suppose how you can earn here. You know, you just have to copy some link, whatever the link may be. You can able to share them on your social network, on Instagram, on your Facebook, or any other website, or your YouTube, wherever you wanna share those links. Per click you will earn 0.01 cent. Yes, per click of 1 cent. You know, this is the greatest opportunity. Now as you can see here, I have 17 views and my total balance is 16 cents. Okay, and you can withdraw. Okay, my complete balance is $1.19. Okay, so you can withdraw from your PayPal account, or maybe your Bitcoin. Sorry, Bitcoin. You can able to withdraw Bitcoin. The minimum withdrawal limit is $2 for PayPal and $5 for Bitcoin. Okay, so guys, this is the great opportunity. If you have a good amount of friends on Facebook, on Instagram, you can share the links and people will click and you can earn money from per click. Yes, and you can able to make $100 to $1,000 a month. It's up to you. Okay, and if you have any good website, and you can able to earn maybe $10,000 a month if you have a good website. So guys, if you wanna join this website, there is a link given below the description. Join from there and share it. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, kindly share with your friends and share everywhere and make money.